Peacocks are renowned for their stunning beauty and captivating presence. These majestic birds have fascinated humans for centuries with their iridescent plumage and elegant displays. Beyond their striking appearance, peacocks also boast a range of interesting traits and behaviors that make them truly remarkable creatures. Here are some fascinating facts about peacocks. Vibrant plumage. One of the most distinctive features of peacocks is their vibrant plumage. The male, known as a peacock, is adorned with iridescent blue and green feathers that form an elaborate train, which can be fanned out in a stunning display during courtship. Courtship rituals. During the breeding season, male peacocks engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They fan out their tail feathers into a magnificent display, while simultaneously vibrating them to create a rustling sound. This ritual is a spectacular sight and plays a crucial role in mating success. Symbolism. Peacocks have been symbolically significant in various cultures throughout history. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with the goddess Sarasvati, representing beauty and wisdom. In Christianity, the peacock symbolizes resurrection and immortality due to the belief that its flesh does not decay after death. Domestication. Peacocks have been domesticated for centuries and are often kept in parks, gardens, and zoos for their ornamental beauty. They are also sometimes kept as pets, although their loud calls and territorial behavior can make them challenging to care for. Natural habitat. Peacocks are native to the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia, where they inhabit forests, grasslands, and wooded areas. They are also found in parks and gardens around the world, thanks to their popularity and introduction by humans. Diet. Peacocks are omnivores and feed on a variety of foods, including seeds, insects, small mammals, and reptiles. They are opportunistic feeders and will consume whatever is available in their environment. Flight ability. Despite their large size and elaborate plumage, peacocks are capable flyers. They typically roost in trees at night to avoid predators and have strong, swift flight when necessary. Social structure. Peacocks are generally solitary birds outside of the breeding season, but they may form small groups called parties, especially during foraging. Males establish territories during the breeding season and fiercely defend them from other males. Longevity. In the wild, peacocks have an average lifespan of about 10 to 15 years. However, in captivity, they can live considerably longer, sometimes reaching 20 years or more with proper care. Conservation status. While peacocks are not currently considered endangered, habitat loss and degradation pose threats to wild populations. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving their natural habitats are essential for ensuring the continued survival of these magnificent birds.